Good morning, dear students. Last class we completed chapter 4 geometry. Now we are going to see chapter 5. Chapter 5 is, listen to me, statistics. Okay, what is statistics? Statistics defined by numerical data. Numerical, which means numbers. Okay, statistics defined by numbers. What is mean by data? Listen, data is the collection of information is called data. Collection of information. Example, collection of your marks, collection of your biodata, collection of money. Okay, you can tell more thing. Okay, clear? Data is the collection of information is called data. Next, types of data. We have two types. First one is primary data. It is first hand information which has been collected from the original source. Okay, primary data, it is first hand information. For example, first you are collecting your information. Okay, so now that is first hand information. Next, your information is given to other. Okay, other one, so that is second hand information. So listen, secondary data, it is second hand information which has already been collected by someone than the user. Okay, so already collected one, okay, you are collecting the next one. Okay, second time. So that is called second hand information. It is secondary data. Next, we are going to see tally marks. What is mean by tally marks? Listen to me. The data is organized usually in a tally marks. Okay, so the raw data we use to organize by tally marks. Okay, second point, tally marks represented by vertical line. Vertical line, this is called vertical line like 1. Every fifth tally is striking through the previous 4 vertical line as, okay, 4 vertical line, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one, okay, right side, it is your right side, yes or no? This is your right side, right to left, up to down, you have to strike out. Okay, every fifth tally. For example, this is fifth one. Next 10 I am going to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th one, up to down. Okay, right side to left side, don't forget this. Okay, once again I tell about tally marks. The data is organized usually in a tally marks. Okay, when it's raw data. Tally marks represented by vertical line, don't forget it's represented by vertical line. It's like 1. Every fifth tally is striking through the previous 4 vertical line as 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is right side to left side, up to down. Okay, clear? Now we are going to see exercise 5.1. Take your book, everyone. Page number 93. Phillips. First question. Option 1. The collection of information is called data. First we learn about the collection of information is called data. Answer is data. Option 2, an example of primary data. Primary data, okay, data means collection of information. Whatever you are collecting as first, that is called primary data, first hand information. For example, list of absentees. List of absentees in your class. Okay, you can go for, okay, any example. For example, collection of your marks, collection of your friend mark, okay, collection of your details, collection of max marks. Okay, you can give any example. Option 3, an example of secondary data. Okay, secondary data is already collected by someone. For example, cricket score. Cricket score gathered from website. So from your website I am gathering the cricket score. Or else cricket score gathered from your friend. Okay, because your friend already collected, that is first hand information. Next you are collecting. So second hand information is called as secondary data. Option 4. The tally marks for number 8 in standard form. So 8 we are going to write in the tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one you have to strike out. Okay, fifth one over 6, 7, 8. Okay, answer is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one strike out. Then 6, 7, 8. Now we are going for the question number 2. Okay, question number 2. Listen to me. Vijay threw a die 30 times and noted down the result each time as follows. Prepare a table on the number shown using tally marks. We are going to prepare a table. How to prepare a table? Listen to me. First observe the data. The question is Vijay threw a die 30 times. Okay, do you all know the face of die? Okay, dice. We used to play with the dice. Okay, it has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Okay, so Vijay threw a die 30 times. Okay, it means the total is 30. Yes or no? 30 times she threw the die. Now, prepare a table using tally marks. Okay, now you can see the numbers, the face of die 1, 4, 3, 5, 5. Here it's repetition. Yes or no? Repetition we used to represent by tally marks. For example, number 1 is repeated 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, we'll write 1 and it's repeated 3 times. So we use tally marks and frequency we will write. Okay, frequency which means repetition. Okay, now face of die. Next here tally marks. Next table frequency. Why this frequency? We cannot write the 1 3 times again. For easy to understand, we are going for the data. Okay, that for understanding easily, we are going for tally marks and frequency. Okay, for instead of writing like this, okay, if you write 1, okay, repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. So tally marks 1, 2, 3, and frequency 3. It is easy to see. Yes or no? 1 is repeated 3 times. Okay, next. Okay, now listen to me. We'll read the question once again. 1, 4, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 2, 4, 2, 6, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 1, 1. Totally 30 numbers are there. How many numbers are there? 30, because it's given in the question even 30 times Vijay threw a die. Okay, clear? Now, the 1 is the smallest one. So, I have written the first one. After the next number is 2. Next number is 3. Next is 4. Next is 5. Then 6. Totally 6 faces only we have in a die. So, more than 6 it will not go. Okay, you have to remember this. Okay, 1 to 6. Totally how many faces we have in the die? 6 faces. Okay, 1 is repeated 3 times. Then we are going for the 2. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, only 2. Tally marks 1, 2, write as 2. Frequency means repetition. Then go for the 3. 1, 3, 2. Only we have 2 3s. 1, 2, write as 2. Then next go for the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4. Okay, how will you write? How will you go for the tally mark? Tally mark, listen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means strike out. Then 6. Here write the number as 6. Next 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Totally how many 5s? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write as 9. Next to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now if you add, you must get 30. Okay, if you are not getting, you have done something wrongly. Okay, now add 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 8, 30. So your table is correct. So total is 30. This is only tally marks table. Listen to me, understand the question, what is given, find out the total, write the number properly, okay, which is the smallest number, which is the greatest number, okay, find out. Since it's given die, okay, we know that we have only 6 faces. So I have written the numbers 1 to 6, okay. So now go for the checking, how many times repetition is there. Go for the tally marks carefully. 5 you have to strike out. Every 5 we have to strike out. Clear? We are going to see question number 3. Question number 3, listen to me. The following list tells color liked by 25 students. Okay, 25 students is total. Okay, here color liked by 25 students, so total is 25. Listen, the colors are given. We are going to make a table. Draw a table. So here given is colors, so heading is here colors. Next is tally mark. Next frequency. So 3 column will be there. Okay, now what are the colors are there? First find out. Red, blue, white, grey, green. Okay, totally 5 colors are there. See, red, blue, white, grey, green. Write those colors. Red, blue, white, grey, green. These 5 colors are repeated. So now go for the counting. Red. Red here once. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, red how many times we have? 4 times. Tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the frequency as 4. Next we are going for blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here as 6. Next white. See here we don't have white. Here also. Here once. 2 times we have 1, 2. Next grey color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write as 7. Next green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write as 6. Total number of students are 25. So if you add the frequency, you must get 25. So add the frequencies. 4 plus 6, 10, 12, 12 plus 7, 19, 19 plus 6, 25. So your answer is correct, your table is correct. Okay, very easy, only 3 columns. See the question properly and answer it. Likewise, only the next question number 4 also. Question number 4, listen to me. The following are the marks obtained by 30 students in a class test. So total number of students are 30. class test out of 20 in your mathematics subject. Okay, out of 20. So now you must know, they may get 0 mark also, 2 marks also, 3 marks also. What is given in the question? First to find out which is the least one, which is the highest one, what are the numbers are repetition, we have to find out, then only we can go for the table. So now just draw the table. We have how many columns? 3 columns. Okay, since it's marks, write as test marks. Next column, tally marks. Next column, frequency. This you should not forget, only 3 columns. Test marks. Which is the least one? I think 11. Do we have 12? Yes. 13 also we have. 14 we have. 15, yes. 16. 17. Then 18 also. Then 19. Yes, 19 is there. Next 20. I think 20 is the greatest number. So I have written the numbers. Now go for the repetition. 11. How many times it's there? Find out. 1. Find like this. 1. Next. No. 2 times we have. 1, 2. Write the frequency as 2. Next to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one strike out. Write as 5. Next to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to 14. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one, 6. Write as 6. Next to 16. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next to 17. 1, 2 times. 17. Next is 18. 1. We have only 1 time. Next to 19. To the 19. Only once. 1. Next 20. Only once we have 1. Here also 1. Now we can go for the total. If your total is correct, your table is correct. So now 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 16, 21. 24. 24, 26, 27, 28, 29. So something is we missed because total is 30. Yes or no? Listen, the following are the marks obtained by 30 students in your class out of mathematics subject. Okay. So now listen, once again we can check it. 11 is written 2 times, then 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. See here 5 times. Then 13, check it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Next to 14. Okay, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 14 also. Next to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 16. 1, 2, 3 times. Then here 1 time we have 4 times. Okay. So this I missed out. Write as here 4. So now your total is 30. So you have to cross verify like this. When you go for seeing the numbers, we'll get confusion. So see the question properly, and when you are add, you can find out your mistakes. Okay, next we are going for the question number 5. Question number 5, listen to me. The table shows the number of calls recorded by fire service station. Okay, recorded calls, fire service station in 1 year. We have the types of calls. Okay, we are going to complete the table. The table is not completed, and we are going to answer for the following question. First, let me tell about the types of calls. Building fires. Okay, building fires. See here, it's not filled. We will fill it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one and 6. So the frequency is 6. Okay, next other fire. Building fires, you know that. Okay, other fire means other than building. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here the frequency is 11. Next is hazardous materials. What is mean by hazardous materials? For example, like kerosene, petrol, the dangerous things. Okay, the dangerous things. Okay, hazardous materials. Okay, hazardous material frequency is given as 7. We are going to make a tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is rescues. Okay, rescues means for saving the peoples. For example, some may fall in the river. Okay, the fire service people will go and save them. Okay, the savings the people. Okay, that is mean by rescues. Okay, rescues is given frequency 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, false alarms. You know about false alarms. The tally marks is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here write as frequency 7. So which are the things we filled? Encircle it. Then only you will know that this is your answer. Now the total is not given. Fill the total also. 6 plus 11. 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 7, 35. Total calls are 35. Okay. Next, listen to me the following question. Which type of call was recorded the most? Okay, which type of call recorded most? From this you can find out. Which is the most? 11 number is more. So the answer is other fires. Then option 2, which type of call was recorded the least? Least number. Which is the least number? 4, rescues. Next, option 3, how many calls were recorded in all? Okay, so all means total. Totally how many calls? 35. Option 4, how many calls were recorded as false alarms? How many are false alarms? 7. So this question is over. Next we are going for the question number 6. Question number 6, listen to me. Objective type question. The tally marks for the number 7 in a standard form. 7. How will you go for the tally marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is option B. Option B is the answer. Next, question number 7. The tally marks are given. 1, 2, 3. So now, how much it is? Find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth one, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Option C, 9. Okay. Exercise 5.1 is over. Now we are going to see exercise 5.2. Before we go for exercise 5.2, we can see about pictograph. Listen to me. Representation of data using pictograph. Why we are going pictograph now? Okay, when you go for the observation pictures, we can understand the data easily. Okay, so when it is less number, we can go for the tally marks, we can go for it and we can understand easily. Repetition is less. Okay, when do you have more, okay, we cannot go in the tally marks. That's why we are going for the pictograph. It is very easy to understand seeing the pictures or symbols. Now the first point, a pictograph is the representation of data by using pictures or symbols. Okay. Now next point, a pictograph is also called pictogram. Okay. Pictograph means it's used by pictures or symbols. Other name is pictograph. These 2 points are very important. So now we can go for the exercise 5.2. Take your book everyone. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. Option 1, if represents, the ball is represent, okay, the ball, one ball represents 100 balls. Okay, one ball, okay, it is given as a picture, it's represent 100 balls. Okay, find out it's off ball. Okay, it is off ball. So one ball is equal to 100. So this here and 100, this is half ball, this is 100, it's 50. So the answer is 150. Okay, 150 balls. Question number 2, option 2, if 200 is represented by bat, okay, one bat is equal to 200. Okay, one bat, the bat is given in the picture, you can see in your book, one bat is equal to 200. Okay, then 600 is represented by, okay, 600, we are going to find out, listen to me, one bat is 200. So how many bats will be for 600? 3 bats. 3 bats. Okay, either you can write or else you can draw the bat. Okay, either you can write the bats, 3 bats, or else you can draw as 3 bats. Option 3, representation of data by using picture is known as pictograph. If you use the pictures, that is called pictograph. This is option 2 answer. Option 3 is pictograph. Answer is pictograph. You can write as pictogram also. That is also correct. Next, question number 2. Question number 2, draw a pictograph for the given data. So understand, choose your own suitable scale. You can draw and you can choose any pictures or symbols. Go for the question. Month and number of computers sold is given. June month, July, August, September. June 300 computers, July 450, August 600, September 550. So now we are going for the table. Pictures. Yes or no? Before go for this, once we have to decide that which pictures we are going to do. Okay, it's your wish to go. So now just I am selecting the triangle. Okay, I have selected the picture as triangle. Okay, we have to fix a scale. So one triangle equal to how many numbers? So now according to the given we are going to find out. Listen to me. 300, 450, 600, 550. So we can go in the 50s. So one triangle equal to, I am making as 50 triangles. So one triangle shape equal to 50 triangles. Now go for the table. So 2 columns, one is month, one is number of computers sold. First one is June month. June month, how many computers sold? 300. Okay, how many computer? 300. So one triangle equal to 50 triangles. So how to find out how many triangles will come? So if you have the doubt, 300 divided by 50. Okay, 300 divided by 50. So you can find out how many triangles? 0, 0, cancel. 5 ones are 5. 5 6 are 30. Totally how many triangles will be coming? 6 triangles. So draw 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 triangles I have drawn. Next I am going for the July month. July month is 450. So 450 divided by 50. 0, 0 cancel, 5 table, 9 times. So 9 triangle will be coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is August month. August month, how many? It's given 600. So 600 divided by 50. Okay, since we have taken as one triangle equal to 50 triangles, I am dividing by 50. Why means, okay, you can find out how many triangles can be drawn. 0, 0 cancel, easy only. 5 ones are 5. Here 12 times. So 12 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally I have drawn 12 triangles. Next month is September. September month, the computer sold is given as 550. So go for the rough column. 550 divided by 50, 0, 0 cancel, 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 11s are 55. So 11 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, you can go for here 100 also, nothing in wrong there. Choose your own pictures. The scale must be proper. If you take 50, 50, 100 means 100, no problem in that. Okay, next question. Likewise, same model only. Here also we are going to choose your own suitable picture. Draw a pictograph. Draw a pictograph. Here it's given place and the number of tourists. Okay, Mahabalipuram, Vedandangal, Ogenekal, Ooty. Okay, how many places are given? 4 places are given. Okay, the number of tourists are more. Okay, 20,000, 15,000, 40,000, 35,000. Okay, so now we can go here in the 5,000 or else 10,000 also. So now I am going to choose the smiley. Okay, any picture you can choose. I am going to choose here for smiley for 5,000. 5,000 tourists. Okay, one smiley for 5,000 tourists. So same. So how many columns? 2. Place. Here number of tourists. So the first one is Mahabalipuram. So Mahabalipuram, how many are visited? 20,000. Okay, how many are visited? 20,000. So 5,000 equal to 1 smiley. Here go for the rough column. If you know, you can go directly. Some will be struggling how many. So that's why I am going for the rough column to work out this. 20,000 divided by 5,000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 I cancel. Sorry, 3 zeros. Here also 3 zeros I cancel. 5 table 1. Here 4. So how many smiley you will draw? 4. So Mahabalipuram 4. Next Vedandangal. Okay, Vedandangal is given as 15,000. So 15,000 divided by 5,000. 0, 0, second 0, third 0 I cancel. 5 table 3 times. So draw 3 smiley. Next one is Ogenekal. So Ogenekal is given as 40,000. So 40,000 divided by 5,000. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. So 8, 5, 6, 7, say 8 I have done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is Ooty. So Ooty total is 35,000. Okay, number of people 5,000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35. So how many smileys you will draw? 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, totally how many? 7. Okay, that's all this problem. Listen to me. You can choose your own scale, either 5,000 or 1,000, 10,000. Okay, now the picture also you can choose your own choice. Okay, that's all. Next we are going to see the question number 4. Question number 4, everyone please take your book, page number 98. We are going to observe the book, okay, what is given in the book. Okay, the pictures are given, the table is given in the book. Listen to me, we are going to answer the following question. First question is, which is the most popular game among the students? Okay, this is our question. Okay, game and number of students. Okay. We have the 5 games: Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Basketball, Volleyball, Hockey. Okay, now, which is the most popular game among the student? Okay, the one student, here, the one student represent 10 students. Okay, one student represent how many students? 10 students. That means one student picture is given here. Okay, so now from this, which is the most popular game among the student, you can observe the picture, okay, which is given the lengthiest one. The lengthiest one is Kabaddi. So the first answer is Kabaddi. Next, option 2, find the number of students playing Kabaddi. So how many are playing Kabaddi? We are going to find out. Listen, how many students counted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 students are there. 11 students picture, yes or no? So one student picture equal to how many students? 10 students. So here 11 into 10, 110 students totally. Totally how many students are playing? 110. Option 3. Which 2 games are played by equal number of students? Equal number of students, you can see the students picture. Okay, here if you see from this you can find out the equal number is Kho-Kho and Hockey. Okay, listen, we can check with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Kho-Kho and Hockey are equally played. Option 4, what is the difference between the number of students playing Kho-Kho and Hockey? Okay, difference they are asking because both are same, yes or no? So there won't be a difference. Both, okay, we counted as 90 for Kho-Kho. So 9 means 90. Here Hockey also 90. Difference, which means subtraction. So 90 minus 90 is 0. There is no difference between the Kho-Kho and Hockey. Option 5, which is the least popular game among the students? Observe the diagram. Which is the least one? Only 3 pictures are here. What is that? Basketball. Question number 4 is over. Question number 5, objective type questions. The representation of one picture to many objects in a pictograph is called tally mark, pictoword, scaling and frequency. This answer is scaling. So I will explain you. For example, you have so many books. Okay, you have so many books. You cannot the same type of book. For example, you have 60 maths book. Okay, you are going to sell the maths book. How you cannot show the 60 maths books for visible. Okay, you can show one book and you can write as, okay, 60 books are available. So we are showing one book. From this we are telling how many we have the books. Yes or no? So that is called scaling. The word is given as one picture to many objects. So answer is scaling. Question number 6. A pictograph is also known as pictoword, pictogram, pictopraise, pictograph. Which is the answer? Pictogram. Now exercise 5.2 is over. Next class we will see about 5.3 bar graph. This pictograph is over. Next class we need a graph. Get ready with the graph sheet. We will see the graph in the next exercise. Thank you, dear students.